This dance is called Country Boy Lovin'. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going into a V step, so named because you are actually drawing a V on the floor. So you're going to step your right foot diagonally forward to the right. Step the left diagonally forward to the left. Bring the right diagonally back left, in other words, to where it came from. Step the left beside the right. So you can see you're effectively drawing that V on the floor. Into some heel splits. So keep your toes where they are. Move both heels out, back to centre, out, back to centre. V-step and heel splits. Let's try that once more. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step out, out, in, close, heel, split, heel, split. Now once you've got comfortable with doing your heel splits, Choreographer has given some slightly different steps that you can do should you wish. So if you want to actually make it slightly more difficult, you can actually do heel toe splits. So you will again keep your toes where they are, move your heels out to the side. Leave the heels where they are, move the toes out. Bring the toes back in, bring the heels back in. So you can actually go out, heel, toe, toe, heel. Alternatives. Stick with the heel splits if you want. Whilst I'm doing the walkthrough and the demo, I will definitely just do heel splits. When the music is on, I will probably do a little bit of a mixture so you can see what it's like. So having done that V step and those heel splits, you're going to do it again. So we actually do that set of steps twice. So let's do them twice just for good measure. Off on that right. 7, 8. Step out, out, in, close, heel, split, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, split. Add on a little vine to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. Scuff the left. Now when you scuff the left, all you're doing is just making gentle contact with the ground with the heel of your foot. So if you remember your parents always told you to pick your feet up and stop scuffing your feet, you can actually legitimately do it in line dancing. So you will scuff your left. Now what I suggest you do, when you scuff it, for this dance, scuff slightly over the right. So you're going to scuff at a slight angle. Only reason I say that is because you're now going to go into some cross rocks. So you're going to cross the left over the right as you rock onto it. Recover your weight back on that right, rock back onto that left on that cross step, and recover your weight back onto the right. So if you were to scuff forward, you're then having to move slightly awkwardly. So it just helps put that slight angle on, make it easier to go into your cross rock steps. So let's do that section once more. That vine to the right with those cross rocks. Off on that right foot. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, cross, rock. Let's add that to the top, our V steps. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step out, out, in, close, heel, split, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, vine, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, We're now going to vine to the left. And we're going to put a turn in this one so that we face a different wall. So you're going to step your left to the side, cross the right behind the left. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Now make sure at this point you have completely turned your body, so you're not still in that twisted position just because you've stepped that foot forward. So you need to actually be turned and facing what we call now the 9 o'clock wall. Even if it means that back foot has the heel lifted off the ground, that's absolutely fine. Then just touch the right beside the left. So I'm just resting it there. There is no weight on that right foot at all. That enables me to go into some heel switches. So because there's no weight on that right, we're going to start off with the right. We're going to touch the right heel forward, step the right beside the left. The weight now goes back on that right. We touch the left heel forward and then step the left back beside the right. That then becomes the end of the dance. You start again with your V-step. So let's do that section once more then. Vine to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and heel, and. Let's put it all together. V-step, off on the right. 7, 8, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, So that is your dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster. So what we'll do is we'll repeat the front wall, we'll speed it up just a little bit, and then we'll keep going around the other 3 walls. V-step off on the right. 7, 8, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, step out, out, in, close, heel, split, out, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, out, out, in, close, heel, split, out, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, out, out, in, close, heel, split, out, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, scuff, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, out, in, close, heel, split, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, step, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, out, in, close, heel, split, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, step, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel, and, out, in, close, heel, split, out, in, close, heel, split, side, behind, side, step, cross, rock, side, behind, turn, touch, heel and heel. Out, out, in, close, heel split, heel split. Out, out, in, close, heel split, heel split. Side behind, side step, cross, drop, cross, drop. Side behind, turn, touch, heel and heel. Out, out, V-step, V-step. Vine, vine. V, V, vine, vine, V, 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 vine, vine,
Have a mansion and BMW. They might be rich, but money can't get. Girl, what I'm gonna give to you? I got that country boy, I'm gonna get you in the sunroof, kiss a little hubby that you can't find in any big city. Oh, when you win, I'll lay it down like Conway Twitty. If you're looking for the good stuff, I know, man, I got that country boy looking like a country boy. I got that country boy looking like a country boy.
Hope you managed that one.